Hi guys, welcome back to my channel with another amazing YouTube tutorial. And in today's video, I will show you how to upload a YouTube video on your channel to get more views. It will be a step-by-step tutorial. I will walk you around on screen and we will go through step by step from start to finish. So let's dive in. So we are inside my laptop screen and we are on YouTube. Let's click on the channel icon on the top right corner. So from here I will click on YouTube Studio. It will take me to my channel dashboard, and from here I will simply click on create and upload video. I'll click on select files, and here I can select the file from my computer. Okay, it will upload the file, and meanwhile we can do all the things inside our you know panel, uploading panel. So I have uploaded I have installed YouTube Chrome extension, which is vidIQ, and it's giving me the score for my title, for my description, and all the stuff. So right now I have a score of 80 out of 100. So if we can add more things during our upload, so our score will go up, right? So for my title it's giving me like 97, so our title is okay, that's good. So what I will do, I will add some description about my video. It will help the YouTube algorithm know what my video is all about and give it a bigger picture what viewers can expect to learn from this video. Okay, so this will help the algorithm to push my videos to the viewers. It thinks that will be more likely to be interested, more likely to be watching my YouTube video, right? So here I will add some description that will obviously include some keywords that come naturally. What I want here is that I don't want to be stuffing keywords. Okay, I will add keyword where it makes sense, right? So it will be the SEO optimization for my YouTube video. Okay, optimizing my YouTube video title, my description and tags and all those stuff to tell the algorithm that my YouTube video is all about around this topic, and it will help my video to rank and be recommended by the algorithm to the relevant viewers, right? So this is very important. So this helps my video to get more views and more relevant people watching it who are actually interested in this topic, which is starting YouTube channel after 40 and how to start a YouTube channel in step by step manner, right? So this is very important. Okay, so from here what we are saying is that I'm telling the channel, the algorithm, what my viewers should expect to watch inside this video. Like I'm telling it, from picking the right niche for YouTube channel to monetization to like, let's say, having building the right mindset. Okay, you will, I'm brainstorming simultaneously and writing. You will know exactly what to do to thrive on YouTube. So I'm telling the algorithm that this video is all about starting a YouTube channel with the right mindset, with the niche selection, with different monetization methods, so that the people interested in these topics and these keywords will be suggested, will be shown my YouTube video, and I'm more likely to get more views on this video, right? So here I'm just giving the link of the relevant video that I talked about in the video itself, which was about how to create a YouTube channel step by step. Basically, I will just go to my channel again, YouTube YouTube studio, and I will select the video. I will simply grab the link of that video. So I simply go to content and I will find the video, which is this one, how to create a YouTube channel for people over 40. So I will grab a link to this video, which is, yes, on this right side video link. I will simply copy it by clicking here. So I will simply paste it here. So this is the video I have talked about in the video that I am suggesting my viewers to watch after this video. I am here giving a disclaimer, and now we will need to attach the thumbnail. So this is thumbnail I have created. Basically, I have made a little bit changes of text. It's a template. So this is a faster way to create thumbnails. Okay, you have a template and you simply make little changes according to your new video, and you simply download from here, right? Simply download from here and you can upload here by simply selecting the file, the png file. Make sure you download as a png, right? To make it high definition, right? So it's uploading. Okay, right. We have our thumbnail, and as you can see, my score is up now. We are 84 out of 100, right? So this is how you can, you know, be sure about your optimization, because this extension is very amazing. I highly recommend this. Now we need to select the playlist. It will go to start a YouTube channel. Obviously this video will go to this particular playlist, and I will select no, it's not made for kids, since it's this video is not made for kids. If your video has some kids or it's targeting for that, you can select the other option. I'm not promoting anything, so I will pass that on, and I don't have any altered content. It's a real footage. I don't have any real person appear to be something different. They are not actually. So I will select no. Automatic chapters, I will keep it. Automatic places and allow automatic concepts. So I will keep all these things checked. It's a new feature. And now it's tags. So this, you know, here this portion, it's already populated with my default tags that I have as my default uploads. So I can add more tags relevant to my YouTube video. Tags are basically not as important as they used to be, but they still, you know give you your videos more chances to be discovered by the algorithm, by the viewers. So it's a good idea to add relevant keywords that are relevant to your YouTube channel and specifically to particular YouTube video you are uploading, right? So it's a good idea to add some keywords here as tags. So how to start on YouTube, I think this is relevant for my video. I want to be evergreen. I'm not adding 2025 year. And one more, I think I should add more tag like how to start a YouTube channel. Yes, this one, I will add this one as well. So I think that's it. Tags are okay, so we'll move on to the next step. Let's see. And also it's giving me scores, this extension, vidIQ extension, is giving me score relevant to against each keyword. Okay, so language, English, no caption, right? Allow, I will not allow embedding. Okay, this allows other users to use your videos content in their videos, so I'm not allowing that. Short mixing, I'm not allowing that as well. Education, nothing. Okay, and education, none. And comments on, show how many views like this video. Yes, I will keep that on. Okay, so it's uploading, it will take some time. So we can add chapters as well. So there's a specific but simple way how you can add chapters to your YouTube video. For that, you simply have to go to our YouTube description box right here, and here we can add timestamps or chapters to our video. So here's how you do that. Let's say this is the video. Now you can add video elements like add cards and screen, subtitles, all those stuff. You simply need to add card. You can add video, a playlist, or a channel link, a clickable link. All these things you can add to your YouTube video, right? So simply need to scroll the cursor to the point where you, yes, so here is the section. Here, this is the time where I'm talking about the relevant video. So I need to attach that video here. So simply select this video and it will add a card on the top right corner above my head. Okay, so this is very simple how to add a card to your YouTube channel. Sorry, YouTube video. You can add custom message if you want to, and if you can also add a teaser text. That's completely optional. I will not do that. I will simply add the card to my YouTube video so that if my viewers want to watch that video, to go through step by step how to create a channel, and they can watch that, I will simply save that. And from here we can add an end screen to promote a relevant video from our channel. We can import from a previous video, or we can simply add a new one for our video. We simply click on add. Oops, let's retry. Okay, so we can select from multiple options here. Okay, so it's giving us different positions for subscribe or video, relevant video suggestion. So I will select one option, and I will simply want to attach a relevant video. I will select the video myself. Okay, or you can let it be allow YouTube to select a video best for viewer based on the video they are watching right now. I will select a video myself. So I will simply click here, choose specific video, and I will select a video that I think is most valuable for my viewers who are currently watching my video, right? Simply click select a video and it's selected. As you can see, it's already there. Once the viewers are watching my video and they are near the end, they can simply click that video to watch that, and that's it. I'll simply save here and I can drag that video as well, the suggested video that I have added in the end screen, and simply click save. That's it. And one more thing, you can also add subtitles if you want to. Okay, simply click on add, and here you have different options as well. You can type manually or upload a file with the captions, or you can leave it and YouTube will generate the captions automatically. So I prefer to use YouTube captions. Sometimes you know I generate captions using my video editor, and sometimes I don't. So it's taking some. So right now I'm letting this video go public, so you can select private or unlisted based on if you want to keep this video private, or maybe you want to publish it but keep it unlisted, so that you can share the link with the people you want them to watch the video. Okay, so it's processing, and maybe I think I need to change a little bit my title. Right now its score is 97, and I think instead of starting I think I should try YouTube. Let's do that. I think YouTube hour after 40. So yes, we have score of 98, so that's amazing. So this title, I like that. So it's checking once again, because I have made some changes. So it will check the content once again. It will take a few moments before we are ready to publish our video. So now the checks are complete, and we simply click on publish. Voila, we are done. Our video is published, and that's it. This is how you upload your YouTube video to get more views on YouTube. If you are new to my channel, on this channel I am sharing everything I am learning and doing to grow my YouTube channel to a level where I can confidently and stresslessly quit my 9 to 5 construction job. So if that sounds interesting to you, then subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section where are you in your YouTube journey. So I see you inside.